Part 1 of our family camping trip at Garner State Park. We arrived on Friday night, on June 21st, 2024, from Dallas to Leakey, Texas. This was our road trip there and what we did on that Saturday.
We're going camping. It's crazy the amount of stuff that you need just to go camping. You would think it's just like your clothes and a tent. No, you need more stuff to do the stuff to go the camping. We're gonna go tent camping in Garner State Park in Concan, Texas. My background is so ugly. I'm trying to find. No, Just look at this. What? We'll be there this afternoon, and then we'll be there all day Saturday, and then we'll leave Sunday afternoon to come back to Dallas. The goal is to have fun and to swim in the river that they have. It's called Frio Rio. We're gonna be making food there, cooking, and just bonding with me and my kids. My 18-year-old stay behind to work. Patrick is gonna stay behind to work as well. Can't wait to see what you got.
I see a lot of things like sofas and appliances right away where people some people didn't even put attention, just keep driving. This one, take that one out, and then you're gonna be available to get the ice, right? Yes. Then put it back, and then pull it.
Hi. It is 1 o'clock and we're barely leaving. Yeah, recording. That is so cute. Like they're fighting over there. Oh, I thought they were fighting.
Where did the water bottle go? The water bottle go, Mom?
You're being weird. But oh, look at that.
Yeah, 43.
49. Let's see how he tied it. Can you record it? Hi, good morning. We're here at Garner State Park. It's so peaceful. It's very hilly here. We're gonna go to, I guess I need a map. I need to show you the map of what it looks like. So this is the map. Well, that's the advertisement, the sponsorships. So this is the map. This is the park entrance. We are all the way in the bottom, like right here. Isn't that cool? That's so convenient. The water swim hole is at the bottom. Probably wondering, why am I subjecting my kids to park camping? I've always been interested in camping. Okay, I raised you up a little bit. And this is what I want to teach my kids too. Like, this is survival skills. Like, this is very crucial, especially for a young growing mind. We're all working together. We work together on putting up the tent, building the fire, cooking, directions like maps, like where we're going, and time management, like, okay, it's gonna take us this long. And then we're all having fun, we're all having excitement. Hey, he's gone further than me. What is this? Oh shit, that's a baby scorpion? Oh man, what if it jumps at me? Oh, you see it? Here, shake it off over there. Don't kill it, just shake it off.
Just knock it off?
Yeah, like that. He went whee! The kids try to put the tarp on the tent. This tent has a cover over it, and that cover protects it from rain, from the elements, to keep you warm, basically. But if you take the tarp off, it has this mosquito net on it, and that's for the breeze to come in, make you feel comfortable at night. They had it over it. I was like, oh my god, take this shit off, it's so hot. I have 2 air mattresses in the tent, and I brought blankets that are really light, you know, like those hospital blankets. They're like knitted. Those, everybody bring their own pillow. I brought towels. Yeah, right now I'm supposed to be organizing and I'm talking to you guys. Right now it is 9:40. We're gonna eat breakfast. What happened? Come back here, eat lunch. We're gonna have hot dogs, and then we're just gonna relax. We're just gonna chill. If we wanted to go swimming again, we can. We're gonna put up the hammock. It's gonna be fun. Yay. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to me rant. And I'll be recording, you know, little bits here and there. Yes.
Don't call my phone, Mom.
There's a bee over there. There's a bee that goes over there.
Well, that's good of me.
So bye. Jordan. I'm waving at you. The park host is over there. Park host. He came and introduced himself, and he said that this spot, 49, is known to have scorpions. Fall from the tree, around the tree, whatever. And I saw already earlier the baby scorpions. But I think to hike down. Let me see, go like this.
I kind of want to hold it now. I'm just kidding.
Oh wow, it looks like a leaf.
Dad.
Okay, find a spot. It could be right here in the shade. It could be over there. Look, we can go right here. Swim. Swim. Look, there's shade right here. Go again, Jordan? Joseph?
Go again?
Yeah.
Robert has to go with me.
Hi. Robert, go with Joseph. Go with Joseph. Go with Joseph. Robert, go with Joseph.
You saw that? I did the low one. My feet was touching the water.
Girl, I'm trying to. We finally made it to the river.
Swim with them.
Okay.
Like, without floating.
No. No, you're not. Finally here. There's a bunch of people here. I swear, this is my second time being here. And the first time it wasn't that many people. We had the river to ourselves, basically. And yeah, it was a great time. Now that everybody's here. Oh my God. It's like, and then they added more stuff. I know they had a mini golf, but they have a grill, they have a candy shop, they have a park store. What else do they have? And it makes sense because Walmart is like 45 minutes away. The Family Dollar is overpriced. It's around the corner. We just got done being in the water. Oh my God, I'm so tired and I'm so hungry. We're gonna eat hot dogs and chips and tampico.
Fishing.
How many?
Oh, you're just recording me being choked, right?
No.
I was choking on my spit.
We just took the best nap ever. We came and ate lunch and kids went back to the river again. And I stayed behind, I took a nap. Still tired. Right now we're gonna make dinner and we're gonna make s'mores. There's a trail that leads to a cave. No.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.